Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Shahid Sayalvi from Pakistan. I am President of State Youth Parliament. This message is for the overseas Pakistanis and for the Muslims of the entire world. Please viral this video message in each and every WhatsApp group of the Muslim community, as well as in the groups and pages on Facebook as well, that France is going to publish blasphemous content against Rasulullah ﷺ in the magazine of Charlie Hebdo, and no one is there to protest against them. It's the high time for the entire Muslim Ummah to get united in order to defend the dignity and honor of Rasulullah, Holy Prophet ﷺ. Please come on the streets. Please do a peaceful protest. This must be a peaceful protest, that Muslims are the most peaceful people. Islam is the most peaceful religion, and I would request you all to protest in front of French embassy on 11th of September 2020 in each and every country. Muslims, either they belong to any of the school of thought, either they belong to any of the political or religious party, they should be united at one platform. So I must see every Muslim in every country protesting in order to defend the dignity and honor of Rasulullah in front of French embassy on 11th of September after the Jummah prayers. Jazakallahu khair.